I love the aviation industry. I didn't even know that I would love the aviation industry until I actually got in it. I love to see like younger students come in and I'm like, oh my gosh, you're starting this industry so young. I'm so, stick with it, stay in there.
For the entry-level positions, the gate and the ramp, gate agent, we look more for customer service skills. As far as the ramp agent positions, they're very physical. We like to push. We have a little joke, if you have a gym membership, cancel it because you'll be getting a free workout.
Applying for the job, it does ask you what's your availability. And I always put open because you need to be open to get the training. So a lot of people have other jobs as well, but that's something you do need to keep in mind when you're in training to make sure that you're available for all shifts.
We as a company, we train everyone from day one all the way up until they're actually employed with us and start on the gate or the ramp.
Even if you had 10 years of airline experience or you have no experience at all, we keep it the same for everyone.
I found that the job really builds confidence. It can really help you in your interpersonal and teamwork skills, and it really allows you to get an understanding of the full operation of an airline industry.
Make sure that your resume represents the area that you are applying for. After they've uploaded their resume, if there's somebody we're interested in, we'll take them all the way up to schedule interview. We typically do group interview sessions, so we will then invite them to an interview session and then we'll move them forward. After we job offer, we will then bring them in for orientation and then start the fingerprint process and then get them on the onboarding process.
One of the things that really appealed to me was the opportunity to travel, the opportunity to be in the 401k plan, and the opportunity just to learn a new skill and to try something I never tried before.
The airline industry is a business just like any other business. So you can find what works for you inside this business.
There's so many opportunities, and I feel like Piedmont, we definitely push promotion from within.
I think this is the best way to get in at an entry level, position to be able to move up in the industry.